Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day 18 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. Thank you so much for popping by again to see what's going on. First, we're going to do the reveal and unboxing of the supply that is today. And oh, there's no pictures, so it's sequins. Yay, those are really pretty. I don't think I have anything in my stash that color, so I'm super excited. All right, so I think I have an idea. So we're going to use that die from one of the earlier days in the Advent Calendar series. And my thought is that we're going to get all these different colors of purpley-ish cardstock. And we are going to die cut that die with all those colors. And we're going to layer them onto a background. That is my thought at this moment. So, excuse me, sorry. We're trying to decide if there's any other colors that we want to add. But in my purple bin, that's all that makes sense to me is those colors. So that's it. We're just going to use those colors and die cut them. Yep, we got 4 colors there. All right, so I spared you the boredom of watching me actually die cut them. So now we're just trying to decide what color array we are going to arrange them into. And we're going to put them on that purple background there. So we're going to speed up the whole gluing process because, let's be real, watching glue dry is pretty boring, which is essentially what you're doing if you're watching me glue all these little strips onto the cardstock. Because, yeah, that was probably what took me the longest. Next to the die cutting, this part took me the longest, was gluing all these strips on, because the way that the dies are, I feel like you have to make sure that you get glue on all the pieces or all the sections, or it doesn't stay stuck very well. Now, if I had thought about this in advance, I would have put double-sided adhesive on the back of the pieces of cardstock that I was putting in there, or putting through the die cutting machine, but I didn't think that through well enough. So there is number 3, and here is number 4. And they're all glued on, and now we're going to put sequins in all the little holes, and we're still on hyper speed with the editing. Because also, you know, once you've seen it done once, you've seen it done a million times. And then we're going to take that other little die that goes with the, I don't know, whatever that strip die is, and we're going to trim off the bottom of this cardstock panel. And because I already had the sequins on it, I ran it through the die cutting machine so only that section cut and it didn't like squish the sequins, because I didn't want to risk that it would pop all the sequins off that I just did, so I only ran it through that section. And I didn't have the die lined up right, so I had to trim it off. Here's our 5 seconds of Sonic. He is admiring the gingerbread house my kids made the other night. And yeah, he surprisingly hasn't messed with it. I'm shocked. He hasn't really messed with it. All right, here's the finished card on a card base and everything. Let me know what you would do with these sequins in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to come back tomorrow to see the next day in our Advent Calendar series. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.